I've been dying for a coffee. So if anyone's coming to Inner Mongolia, be prepared. Bring yourself some coffee bags or things like that, because you can get hot water anywhere, but proper decent coffee is quite hard to get.
Welcome to our Trip a Deal China tour.
But we came along in the off-season time, so we got the cheaper tickets. So this is off-season.
Yeah. And the 4 LOVO. We.
嘿，微风吹过发梢，阳光洒在肩上，我们的笑声填满了这条街。
I hope so. Yeah. Imagine doing 260 clicks in that.
不用去远方，只要你在身旁，这一刻的快乐，谁都无法阻挡。就是现在，拥抱这假期时光，和朋友们一起尽情地闪亮，唱出心底最美的愿望。让这份友谊地久天长，地久天长。
Oh, flock. It's so cold here, isn't it, Sandra? So cold. Yeah, I've got my other new mum.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, big sister. So this is my big sister. Better, isn't it? Stallion!
烦恼都抛在脑后，我们的故事没完没了。如果时间停下来，我希望就在这一秒。
看着你们的眼角。
I'm going to get me one of these. No one else in Sunnybank is going to have one of these.
Hang on. Go back. I want to get a photo of you too.
就是现在，拥抱这假期时光，和朋友们一起尽情地闪亮，唱出心底最美的愿望，让这份友谊地久天长，地久天长。假期快乐 ！Yeah, that's it.
So here in Inner Mongolia, we're on our, we came here last night, and today we're doing this. It's a whole heap of different adventures. A lot of, I wouldn't still call them bucket list items, but a lot of box ticking things where we walk along these foot tracks, these timber pathways, boardwalks, whatever you call them, and we go from one thing to the next. And what we've been doing today, so the first thing we did from leaving our yurts and the village was we walk along down to a little train, so we caught the train, and then from there we got off the train and we walked about 1 kilometre down the hill, and we got into a little open air bus, little one, and then from there went down to a horse and carriage. So it was one little tiny horse with 2 carriages on the back, that they were both power assisted, so electric motors on the back, which took took away a bit of the authenticity, but it also made it, it's a little horse, so it ticked the box. Yeah, we went on a horse and carriage ride, and then from there we walked along. Well, I got off the horse and carriage and we came up, and there was BB guns and cannons that we got to shoot, and for 31, which is about $8, we were able to shoot these cannons or shoot these guns, and had a go at that. That was pretty cool. And then all the coffee shops are closed, so we've come here on outside of peak season, so it's more popular, and it's set up really for when the school holidays and things like that are on, and I've been dying for a coffee. So if anyone's coming to Inner Mongolia, be prepared. Bring yourself some coffee bags or things like that, because you can get hot water anywhere, but proper decent coffee is quite hard to get. You can buy iced coffees and things, but it's not like, we're nearly in summer and the high for the day is 13 degrees with a wind chill factor this morning felt like about 3. So now we stopped here for a while at this place behind me here. We've got some fried chicken. It says coffee. It's got a picture of a cappuccino. We're very excited. Our tour guide Forrest, he said to us, there's coffee up here, there's coffee up here. We get there, I said cappuccino. They said no coffee. So luckily Mum had a Nescafe little sachet thing. They had hot water in there. And I also got for $31, again about $7 or $8, got some little chicken bites. And they do their fried chicken so good here in China. It's now Inner Mongolia is still China. There's a difference. Some of the people on our tour group are a bit disappointed because they read Mongolia, and it's not true Mongolia. It's Inner Mongolia, which is a Chinese Mongolia. So it's not full blown. Like we're on the edge of the Gobi Desert. So yeah, so but it's totally different China. Green grass, and up behind me here we've got rock formations. I'll spin you around. All those rock formations. This is a suspension bridge going over the top of there. We're walking under it. I'm just going to go up and see if I can walk over it and then catch up with everyone. That'd be fun. Hey, Dick, you want to see if we can get up there and go for a walk over it? Forrest said we could, we just might have to pay a little bit. Yeah, let's have a crack. Oh, hang on, the gates are closed. Ah, that's a paid adventure. You pay to go over that bridge. About 32 people, is it, Deeks? 32 people in our group? 34?
Yeah, 30, 36 maybe.
36. Declan and I have come up with a plan. We're gonna get we're gonna start our own tripper. Was it not tripper deal?
Tripper Sandra.
Yeah, his mum fell over before. But we call it something like Trip My Deal. And then everyone that comes on the tour, we just call them mum and dad. They've got to be over 60. And they need to, when we drive along in the countryside, we'll look, there's some grass, and everyone will step, oh, grass. There's a door. What was the one that you said?
Wood.
Yes, wood. Yeah, it's important. Well, because they're at that age where they don't get to see it that much anymore.
看那山外面到天边，看那江水流过旧村庄，看那阳光洒在童年梦。看那双手紧握的希望，看那双手紧握的希望，背包里装满了家的味道，风中听见远方的呼唤。
come from the Mongolians and name it. Now we're gonna climb up to the top over there. You should walk in three circles around that order, to get rid of all the bad lucks and wish everything's good in the future. This is their traditions. It could be yours today. Okay? But anyway, we'll come down here anyway. All right, everyone?
Okay.
Yeah, let's follow me. Three circles.
我们要飞过那高楼大厦，我们要拥抱这万家灯火，我们要写下新的故事啊，我们要让心跳动得更活。霓虹灯下人群在穿梭，每一张脸都是一个梦。虽然我们来自不同角落，心底深处却有同样的光。
Okay, okay. Yee-hoo! Woo! Yee-hoo! 谢谢。不用谢。Probably some of the best parts of this is you don't know what you're coming to. The extra things that you're going to do are what's exciting.
Do we have, anyone have the high blood pressure?
I think I'm getting the paint. No, I'm not getting the paint. Oh. no pain for me. The smell is just beautiful, as you can imagine. But right next to us, windmill, 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 windmill. Horsey with the mohawk, let's go. Or maybe they all have the mohawk. No, no. Hello. Hello. I'm here in the China, actually the Inner Mongolia, and doing roof inspection. First of all, we have this beautiful building right here. Let me show you. I'm going to give you inspection of the roof. Look, it is doing very well. Very happy with the quality, the guttering system. It certainly have the quality assurance that we expect to get from the roof